Has been manual here, so today we got something. We're gonna clean it out. The computers, I got some issue with them, so we're going straight back in it, and I'll show you what we're gonna do today. I gotta blow out some of the stuff, and here we go. And I'll see you over there after the intro. Has been managed back over here. Okay guys, so we did the cleaning and stuff like that. Just gonna turn aside so we can get a better view. I already blow all this. We still got some dust, but I just came in with the blower. So what I use this blower for that. And you can see this is my 5600. We're still running the P103. Right here is my 2 silver cases, so I got it. I got 2 more. I got to stock it out. So they these 2 right here, they coming onto our silver cases. I think I'm gonna bring that one. I'm not so sure yet, but I still got to assemble the other RTS mix rig. I got it, so I gotta put it together. I still don't have the time. Well, I lost this one. I need to replace the battery. I got 25 Cs over there, and we got our room running a total 84 Fahrenheit right now, so that's a mess. I still have my R3 Plus running, so it's running pretty good, doing pretty well. Not pretty well the way it used to be, but it's doing pretty good. Yeah, we got good amount of air coming into that section. And like I said, there is the room. We are moving everything right here. We also installed this. You see that on the previous video at D. And this is gonna be a work area. I gotta put this back in there. And guys, was not make a video because my wife was in operation, and that was the only reason we was not making any video. But we are back and she's home. She's fine. Thank God for that. And like I said, this was a super short video. I will see you when I start doing better cleaning to this, and we're gonna work through all this. Gonna try to continue unloaded videos as I can. What I've been doing. I still got those power supply over there, but it's eventually 24,000 watt power supply, so I'm gonna be using those. So, guys, I'll be seeing you to the next one. I hope you enjoyed the video, and this was just simple video, just show you guys what I'm doing. A little talking head, and you guys can see still some dust everywhere. I would just blow everything out, but I'm gonna completely clean everything out. We're gonna do an entire process on the video on that. Alright, see you to the next one.